Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create localization. And now we connect packages easy localization and country flags, open pubspec YAML, add packages, then we open assets, languages, and we add file as translation languages, and we open lib main.dart, add easy localization, then we add import, add ensure initialized, then we add localizations delegates, supported locals and local. And now we open view profile, then we open widgets and we add file drop down, country list .dart, write class, write extends, stateless widget, add constructor, convert stateless widget to stateful widget, write final, write value changed, write local, write on change language, add variable drop down value, write local, write did change dependencies, write context, local, write return, add drop down button, write local, then we write context dot supported locals dot map, write drop down menu item, write local, write local value, write return, write drop down menu item, write local, to list, write value, write country flag from language code, value dot language code, write width 30, height 20, write value, add drop down value, add elevation 16, write icon sized box, underline add sized box, add drop down color, write colors, color manager, white, write local, value, write set state, write drop down value, value, write local, write widget on change language, drop down value, then we open profile info screen, write list tile, write title, write text, write language, .tr, write style, write text style, write font size 16, then we add trailing, write drop down country list, write local, write context, write set local, save, update logout, then we open profile screen, then we write profile screen dot publications dot tr, write context, context, assets, languages, profile screen, publications, write tr, tr context, tr context, save, open emulator, open profile screen, Save. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.